Good morning, it's Monday and I'm starting the week off right with some fresh fruits and my favorite matcha latte. In today's video I take you through my last August week, which was full of highlights. But first, it's time to head to work, the daily commute begins. After work, I saw that my first H&M package was arrived. I tried the pieces on and I loved the darker fallish colors. This dress is my favorite piece and I love how it fits. I also like the color of this dress, but I think it's a bit too loose fitting for me. Good morning, starting today with some cinnamon cereal since it's almost September and a cappuccino before the day gets busy at work. I have so many things going on at the moment, like a big project, and I really need a feel-good breakfast. I'm also wearing a real late summer giving dress that I really like. I've got another exciting package, my temu order. So let's unbox together. If you like to see everything in detail, watch my last video with the title Temu haul. But I'm gonna show you my favorite pieces. So like this cream colored lunchbox and of course this cozy picnic blanket, which inspires me to have a cozy picnic this week. I also got these cute cozy fabric pumpkins, a pumpkin mug and a cute happy smile glass. I love everything of this order. Just wrapped up a great day and now heading to pole dance classes. I love this sport because it's creative and a really exhausting one. You will feel each and every muscle after the training, and that's great as a full body workout with lots of fun. Today's task is washing my car to finish off the month with a clean ride. I love my little creamy car, but it was a real mess since I moved to my new apartment, so I have to catch up with it and clean everything. I used these car wipes and I think they really worked out pretty well. Next up, the nail salon for some fresh French tips. I love this style because it's always working out well with every fashion you wear, very demure. And finally, winding down with some sweets and self-care. I just need a relaxing evening sometimes and have to use a face mask while watching a series. It's almost a new month and today I'm setting my goals and intentions for September in the morning. One of my most important goals is to find a better balance between work and life. So I will not work at the weekend after my Friday reset this month. I hope I can realize it because I need to reduce stress so much. There's something special about setting goals and intentions for the new month, enjoying the morning and taking your time. It's Friday and I'm baking some delicious cinnamon rolls since it's almost September. The recipe is really easy and you can bake them in a few minutes only. I think they are the perfect comfort food for the weekend and really easy to make. It's weekend and we are spending the afternoon picnicking at the lake. We enjoyed the last summer days with some wine, fruits, vegetables, cheese, and just enjoyed the sunset. Before the weekend ends, I've got my second H&M package to open and I wanted to enjoy it in a relaxed moment. I love all the fall colors like cream, darker red wine, black, brown, and I think all of the pieces are very wearable and a good style. I'm also really into this bag. I love it so much and I'm gonna wear it every day this fall, I think. I'm also really into those cute little bows at the moment and I think they fit perfectly. Thanks for watching and following along. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.